Blade transmitter controls some drones that I own, the little Blade Nano drones and the Blade 180 QX. So on the transmitter, these joysticks that are used obviously to control the drones are just potentiometers, and the voltage changes when you move them. So the command to move the drone left has a different voltage level than when I move the joystick to make the drone go to the right. And there's an analog to digital converter in the transmitter that converts these voltage levels into digital form, into numbers. So I hacked the transmitter using a logic analyzer and found out what the digital message is to bind to the drone. And I then also figured out what are the 14-byte commands for moving the drone. So I found out that to control the drone, a 14-byte digital command is sent to the transmitter's antenna, which is right here, and the transmitter converts the digital commands into radio waves, which the antenna sends to the drone. So to control the drone, like I say, a 14-byte command is sent to the antenna every 20 milliseconds or so. The first 2 bytes of the command just means this is the start of the command. The next 2 bytes control the throttle level. The 2 bytes after that control whether the drone goes forwards or backwards, etc. After having hacked the transmitter, this is what I came up with. Just a sec. So here is I'm not sure if you can see this actually. Right here is the antenna from the transmitter, and on here is an AVR. And so I've programmed the AVR, and if I press a button here to the left or to the right, or if I adjust the potentiometer up here, the potentiometer adjusts the throttle of the drone, and these buttons control its going left or right or forward or backwards. And so all of that, the digital command, all of these components on the board, based on what I'm doing, get turned into digital commands, which then get sent by the AVR to the antenna, and that's how I control the drone. But using this breadboard unit, I can also control the drone with my computer, and that's what I'm going to show in this video. So when I give some power to the AVR, it automatically sends the bind message to the drone, and then I start up the drone, increase the throttle by pressing the U button on my keyboard, and then other buttons on the keyboard control the movement of the drone.